Hi friends, keeping close to nature's heart can only happen when we spend a few hours within its lap. And friends, Chandaka Nature Resort at Odisha is such a place where you can stay and enjoy the nature to the fullest. So, a warm welcome to Chandaka Nature Resort. It's nearly 20 kilometers from Bhubaneswar and it takes nearly half an hour to reach here. Online booking facilities are also available. With its greenery, natural beauty and freshness, it creates a lively and pollution-free atmosphere. The main attraction is the waterside view here. You can just sit and enjoy it from your cottage balcony. As you see here, there are all total 16 cottages available here to stay. You can also enjoy your special gatherings and parties with your near and dear ones. It looks pretty and its view is just unparalleled. At the night time, you can enjoy here some soft music and bonfire or the rain dance. Also, here the swimming pool facilities is also available. Everything here is a class of its own. Here, the cottages are beautifully painted with artwork which shows a warm inclination towards our great Odia culture. You can enjoy fishing here. There are sheds specially constructed for this purpose. Boating facilities are also available here. The beautiful garden view here gives a sensation of warmth and coziness of nature. It's well decorated and beautifully designed in a creative way. You can visit here the small temple, enjoy a tree house, and this swing. It gives a feeling of our village life. Here see, I am feeding the turtles which are kept here. It's real fun. And friends, the best part here is the homely food that are supplied here by the staffs. The variety of our Odia food is just mouth-watering. You can book a vehicle and take the opportunity of a jungle safari and visit the Jhumka and Deras Dam with a cost of 1200 rupees. Also, you can visit Khandagiri and Udagiri caves which are nearer to this place. So friends, hurry up, spare a few days, enjoy here the calm and natural beauty by staying away from the hustle and bustle of your busy city life. And by that way, show your love to our precious Mother Nature. Because A little bit of your effort and appreciation can create a lot more wonder for our flora, fauna, and environment. So, never forget to appreciate the little, big, wild, and pure wonders of Mother Nature. Please like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.